Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Delia. For those of you who've been rocking with me since day one, I know you remember Gizmo. There he is. Gizmo is still alive and popping. He has grown so much since the last time he's been in a video. If you've been rocking with me from day one, welcome back. If this is your first time to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Really? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of when I put out videos. Okay, say goodbye, Gizmo. Bye. Ah, really? Ah, the nerve. Catch my pearls. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're shedding. He's shedding so much. So now I'm going to have to film this video like this. I'm all full of cat hair, but we have to go work with it today. Alright, so I've been keeping up with little trends lately to see what I can incorporate into my channel, what I like from what I don't like. So I've been keeping my ears to the ground. The latest one I've seen is this one where you kind of make a symbol and you go like this and like this. Me not get it, but yeah, I'm sure a lot of you get it. So I wanted to talk to you guys about it today. Feel free to comment about it. Tell me what you think about it. If you are doing it, if you've been doing it on your Instagram channel, tag me in where if you do it. Let's just talk about it. The more I see it, the more it reminds me of something. I don't know. What do you guys think? I have my own little thoughts, but what do you guys think? Because I'm not sure. I could be wrong. It could be just one of those things that pop up and leave. It could mean nothing, really. But I don't know, guys. I really don't know. Okay guys, this is just a very short video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to leave your comments. Hit me up in the comments. Let's talk about it. If you have any ideas for videos that you'd like me to see, also hit me up in the comments about those. Until next time, bye.